Da Nang is a coastal beach city located in central Vietnam, famed for its beautiful world-class beaches, delicious food and stunning landscape. A very clean city. In fact, in 2022, I noticed that it was a lot cleaner than major cities like Hanoi or Saigon, and you'll find recycling bins on most street corners. But let's stop talking rubbish. Have you ever wondered what an apartment costs or looks like in Vietnam? Well, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you what an apartment looks like in Da Nang, which costs you £140 a month, or 4 million Vietnamese dong. Woo! £140. We're on the 5th floor now, but I am not going to walk upstairs and show you because I am tired. But let's go into the apartment. So as you walk in, you've got your shoes here, shoe shelf, and you are greeted by a lovely sweet home. Let's shut the door. And then we come into the bathroom here, a lovely shower, £140. Wow. And the toilet to the right. As we pan back around, look at this. 1 bedroom studio apartment in Da Nang, £140. So this kind of apartment in London or Birmingham or Manchester or, I don't know, Leicester, you're easily looking at over £1,000 for the apartment. You've got your modern fridge and freezer here. You've got a small kitchen area. You've got a microwave, a kettle, your sink, and your 1 hob burner there. And you've got your rice cooker down here with some rice. But look at the view from the kitchen. So imagine after a hard day's work, you come back, you're doing some dishes, and look at the view. Wow. The beach is 800 meters that way. Amazing. As we swing around to the left, we have the air conditioning, currently set at 21 degrees. Hammy mod dot set. And the fan. And look, a TV. And the sofa, really nice. And bedroom, or the bed, sorry. I can't believe this costs £140. Let's go outside. So we've got a balcony here. Do you open this? There we go. Look at it. It is so nice. You've got the sea. My Khe beach. Bien. My Khe bien. Rồi ơi. A few plants here. And then to the right, the washing machine / dryer in English and Vietnamese. And because it's so hot in Vietnam, the clothes dry here so quickly. And even if it rains, it's covered by the roof here. And that's the air conditioning unit. In England, £140. What is that going to get you? A month? It costs £140 for a hotel. For one night in some Premier Inn or Travelodge hotels. You can easily accommodate a couple or someone living on their own. It's really spacious. It's so bright and it's so airy. Why do I not live in Vietnam, man? My favourite part of the flat or apartment has to be that lovely white marble flooring. You're probably thinking, oh, that's not very comfortable, is it? But do remember, it can get up to 36-37 degrees Celsius. And you do not want carpet in that type of temperature. Head straight to that aircon and turn that bad boy up. But in all seriousness, can you see yourself living here? It's relaxing. The scenery, the beach nearby, there's food shops nearby. Oh, Vietnam, apartments in Vietnam. Now get that bottle of wine, grab some chairs, and just smell the sea breeze whilst looking out the balcony. Sitting on the balcony with a few beers, or whatever you like. If you like the video, please like. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. I want to share and describe more content in Vietnam or differences in Vietnam and England, so that you can make an informed decision about coming to Vietnam. And I want to show people in England what life is like in Vietnam, and if you travel to Vietnam, what you can do or what you can expect.